never figure out how to help Pig stop sneezing. You're right, Dog. Ant would know how to help stop Pig sneezing. Where's Ant when we need him?